Hello everyone. Last session we discussed about the material mix variance. Today we are going to discuss about the material yield variance. Material yield variance is a financial measurement used by management to calculate the difference between the cost of the output expected to be produced and the cost of the output actually produced. Output expected and actually produced. Material yield variance is calculated with the following formula. Material yield variance is equal to standard rate into actual yield minus standard yield. In this, standard rate is equal to standard cost of standard mix divided by net standard output. That is standard output. Net standard output is equal to gross output minus standard loss. There may be a situation where weight of standard mix may be different from the weight of actual mix. In this case, the standard is revised in relation to actual mix and solved with the revised standard and not with the original standard. Standard rate is equal to standard cost of revised standard mix divided by net standard output. Formula for yield variance is equal to material yield variance is equal to standard rate into actual yield minus revised standard yield. I will give you one example. From the following data, calculate material yield variance. Standard mix and actual mix. Material A, 200 units at the rate of 20 rupees standard mix, and actual mix is equal to 160 units at the rate of 13 rupees. Next, material B is equal to 100 units at the rate of 10 rupees, 140 units at the rate of 10 rupees. Standard loss allowed is 10% of input. Actual output is 275 units. In this case, standard and actual mix do not differ. So, there is no need of calculating revised standard mix. Standard mix. Rupees. Actual mix. Rupees. First one, material A. Material A, 200 units. Standard mix. 200 units at the rate of this is 12 rupees. 12 rupees equal to 2400. Next, actual 160 units. 160 units into 13 rupees. Total rupees 2080. And next, material B. Material B, 100 units at the rate of 10 rupees equal to 1000. Next, actual mix is equal to 140 units into 10 rupees equal to 1400. Total units equal to 300 units. And total rupees of standard mix is equal to 3400, and actual mix total equal to 300 units. Total rupees 3480 rupees. In this case, standard and actual mix do not differ. 300 units, 300 units, and standard loss allowed is 10% of input. Loss, less is less loss. 10%, 300 unit, 10% ante 30 units. 300 into 10 by 100. 270 units. Amount is not there. 3400. This is net output. Net output standard mix 270 units and rupees 3400. And actual mix is equal to actual output is 275 units. Net output and actual output is equal to 275 units. Therefore, net output actual output is equal to 275 units. 275, 300 minus 275 equal to 25 units. Actual mix rupees is equal to 3480. Material yield variance equal to standard rate into actual yield minus standard yield. Standard rate. Standard rate is equal to standard cost of standard mix, standard cost of standard mix divided by net standard output. Therefore, standard rate is equal to standard cost of standard mix is equal to 3400 divided by net standard output. Net standard output is equal to standard mix to 270 equal to rupees 12 rupees 593 paisa. Implement the formula. MYV is equal to standard rate. Standard rate is equal to 12 rupees 593. Actual yield. Actual yield is equal to 275 units minus standard yield. Standard yield is equal to 270 equal to 12 rupees 593, 5 rupees equal to 62.965 MYV. Therefore, material yield variance is equal to plus 62 rupees 965 paisa. It is favorable. In this, yield means output.